Alright, so this is to show you where I'm at in the series, right? Uh-huh. Two. Which is, this is green belt techniques, right? So, yellow belt, orange belt, purple belt, blue belt, green belt, and then brown belt, and then first black, and then second black. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 belts before black. And that would be called a Q, right? In karate, right? So that's 6th Q, 5th Q, 4th Q, 3rd Q, 2nd Q, and 1st Q, and then black belt, which is Shodan, right? Alright. Now, so brown belt, right, is 11 techniques, right? Green belt is 8. Blue belt is 7. Right. Purple belt is 9. Orange belt is 10. Right. And yellow belt is 9. So by brown belt, you've gone over over 50 different techniques, right? And again, right?
The basic blocks used in our fighting system. So from your ready stance, the first block we're going to use is the inside block. For the inside block, you want to take your lead hand and come straight across towards the inside, deflecting the blow to...
Now, some styles still call that going to the outside and the other going to the inside, right? Go figure, right?
The inside. This will open up your opponent's outer body line and for a sort of attack. Practical application, your opponent throws a right straight punch, you do an inside block. As you can see, it opens up the outside of your opponent's body for a knee strike or any attack to the outside. Okay. The next block we're going to show is an outside block. For an outside block, again, you're in your fighting stance. Your opponent's going to throw his punch, and this is just the reverse of an inside block. You're going to take your lead hand and deflect the blow to the outside. Okay? Practical application. This is good for things such as a cowboy punch, roundhouse. So your opponent throws his punch, outside block. This will open your opponent's central line for a knee strike, elbow to the face, or similar attacks. The next block we're going to show is an inside-outside block. This block involves both hands. So from your fighting stance, you're going to take your lead hand, which will be inside, because you use the inside of the hand, and deflect the blow, and then use the outside of your behind hand, outside. So it'll look like inside, outside block. Practical application, again, your opponent throws a straight right punch, inside, outside. Now this is good for traps of the arm and similar techniques that we're going to use later on in the video. And the final basic block that we're going to use is an outside-inside block.
Now remember, that's really an inside-outside block, but off your back
In a
hand,
fighting
right?
stance, your opponent throws a punch.
See, first you're
go
using your rear
outside
hand
with your behind
there.
hand, and inside with your lead hand. Okay.
And
So
like I
outside,
said,
inside,
another
outside,
reason he's
inside.
confused there is sometimes this can be and this can be an inside block or an outside block. It can be called either way, right? But what happened was he didn't realize he was coming off the backhand, where this is the inside for this hand and the other is the outside for the other hand, right? Right? He done showed you that same technique and called it outside, right? At the beginning, right? So when he went outside, he went like this. When he went inside, he went like that, right? Right. And Cliff Yon, you're not the only instructor in America. You know that, right? Just making sure.